Looking for the best foldable metal detector in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best foldable metal detector available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The Underground Metal Detector GT620G is a reliable and high-sensitivity device designed for serious treasure hunters and gold prospectors. Equipped with an advanced gold hunter circuit, it delivers accurate detection of metals, including small gold nuggets, coins, and relics. The clear liquid crystal ALK display makes it easy to read target information, depth levels, and battery status in real time. Its waterproof search coil ensures stable performance in wet soil, shallow water, and challenging outdoor conditions. Lightweight and easy to assemble, the GT620G offers adjustable sensitivity and discrimination modes, making it a practical and professional choice for beginners and experienced detectorists alike. Number 4. The Foldable Underground Metal Detector TX630 impresses with its high accuracy and user-friendly design, making it perfect for hobbyists and serious treasure seekers alike. Its adjustable, folding body ensures comfortable use for all ages and easy storage or transport. The waterproof search coil performs reliably in wet grass, sandy shores, or light rain, expanding where you can explore. Sensitivity and discrimination settings provide precise target identification, helping distinguish valuable finds from trash. Assembly is quick and intuitive, and the detector feels sturdy yet lightweight during long hunts. Whether you're searching for coins, relics, or lost jewelry, the TX630 delivers dependable performance and excellent value for its price, boosting confidence and excitement every time you head out. Number 3. The lightweight handheld metal detector Gold Digger is perfect for kids and beginner treasure hunters. Its compact design and waterproof search coil make outdoor exploring fun and easy, whether in the yard, park, or beach. Simple to use with responsive detection, it quickly finds lost coins, jewelry, and small treasures. Durable yet light enough for young adventurers, this detector encourages curiosity and outdoor play, making every hunt exciting and rewarding. Number 2. The Treasure Hunter Professional Underground Gold GT330 Metal Detector is a solid choice for serious diggers and hobbyists. Its 10 waterproof coil and notch discrimination boost target accuracy, making it easier to find gold, coins, and relics. The built-in pinpointer helps zero in on targets quickly, saving time in the field. Durable and easy to use, the GT330 performs well in varied terrain and wet conditions, offering great value for treasure hunters. Number 1. The TX850M Professional High Accuracy Metal Detector impresses with its advanced SPJ chip and reliable performance, making it ideal for both serious treasure hunters and enthusiastic beginners. The adjustable length and ergonomic design ensure comfortable use during long searching sessions. Its large ALK display is easy to read, clearly showing target information, depth, and settings. The 11 waterproof coil delivers excellent detection accuracy on beaches, wet grass, or shallow water, while adjustable sensitivity helps identify valuable targets like coins, jewelry, and relics with precision. Durable and user-friendly, the TX850M offers outstanding performance and great value for the seeking a dependable metal detector.